Here on the convention floor, Groundwater Week 2018, here with Cory Miller. Cory is the winner of the Manufacturer Section Special Recognition Award. Congratulations, Cory.
Thank you.
For you, how does it feel when you found out that you received this honor?
Well, it was a surprise and a very, very nice honor to receive it.
Right. What do you think is the kind of the hallmark or secrets to your success, if you will? For you, what has worked for you in your career, if you could pinpoint a couple of things?
Well, I think just my father instilled in me the sense that a person can do anything they set their mind to, and I never questioned that belief and just kept pushing towards the things that I had set as goals.
Right. Now we're here in front of your booth, Centerline Manufacturing. Now, how long have you all been open, and how long have you all been at this?
Well, Centerline began in the 1980s, mainly centering on well screen, but we got into the mud pumps in 2001,
right,
and that's become what we're most recognized for.
Right. In talking to folks in this industry, it seems that this is, after you've been involved in it a little while, things change, and that's just a part of it, and you have to change with the times. Has that been your experience as well?
Yeah, there's a constant expectation in the industry for better quality and better, longer life, and so we have to constantly be working on our game to provide our customers to meet that expectation.
All right. Well, clearly you are. Cory Miller, he's with Centerline Manufacturing out of Winsboro, Texas, and he's receiving the Manufacturer Section Special Recognition Award. Cory, congratulations.
Thank you much.
Cory, the winner here at Groundwater Week 2018.